Okay, well, we have time. We have another litter of puppies here. So, this one's Willow. Very nice. That one, that's Poppy, who's conquering the world. This is Meadow. Hi. This is Sky. Oh, hi. This is Brooke. Hi, Brooke. Hi, Brooke. This one over here, oh, is Fern, the big girl. This one is Clover. That one over there that I can't reach is Sprout.